Hey, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Wednesday, the 17th of June, 2020. It's currently 6:39 a.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts and what I've done this morning. The video is about an hour later, an hour and a half later. It's just not much to report, and I had other stuff to do, so I thought I might as well just delay it a little bit. The new candle was at 4 a.m., so 2 hours and 39 minutes ago. Let's have a look at the charts and see what we've done. So this is my trading view. Watch list on the right here, all the pairs I'm trading on the 12-hour charts. One's highlighted in blue, ones I've currently got trades on. No highlight, no trades. One's an orange is what I'm going to discuss in this video. So we'll start with the CAD Swiss. Now, if you look at my charts here, I'll just quickly run through it. It's a 12-hour chart, as I said. They've got 3 MAs just to give me some sort of idea. Trend direction, I don't really need them, but they're just handy. 240 LMA, 100 EMA, 50 EMA. These red and green dots on the price chart, it's called a QMP filter. It's not actually an indicator as such, it's more of a visual aid. It's a combination of two indicators. The MACD Platinum, which is this one, which is a zero lag MACD that oscillates around a zero level, which is this dotted line. Basically, I'm looking to sell when it's above the zero level and buy when it's below the zero level. So the QMP filter is a combination of this MACD Platinum and another indicator called the QQE Advance, which I'll just put on the chart to show you. So this is a QQE Advance. So when this is in sync with the MACD Platinum, it produces these dots on the price chart. So for example, look at this green dot here, the cross on the QQE and the MACD Platinum's at the same time. So everything happened on the same candle. It's not always the case. That one there, that sell did. Let's have a look at this buy here. See, this buy didn't. The MACD Platinum already crossed, had to confirm the cross on the QQE, and there it is there. So these dots on the price chart form once everything's been confirmed. At the close of the candle, you take your trade on the open of the next candle. So that's that. See, green trend lines means bullish divergence. See, red trend lines, bearish divergence. See, blue trend lines means something I'm looking at, like support or resistance level. Now, like normal, you can read my notes on the chart. You can pause the video. English may not be your first language, or I may talk too quick, or you may not understand me. You can read my notes. Now, sells are designated by a red vertical dashed line and a red horizontal line, so it's the intersection there. Buys are blue. So what happened here, I was in a sell here, and this red dotted line was a stop loss for the sell. Price last night went up and stopped me out, and that gave me a profit of $7.74. So that sell's no longer in play. So I can delete that. I just leave the charts, leave the line on the chart so you can see where the trades were. So that trade's no longer in play. I'm just delete that and get rid of that stop level. So now all I've got is one buy. S1 basically just means sequence one. You'll see on some pairs I've got multiple sequences, and so it's a buy in here, and it's going up the right way at the moment. The MACD Platinum's below the zero level. All these trades are recorded on the shared spreadsheet on Google Drive. Everyone has got access to that spreadsheet if you wish. The link to it is in the description of the video. So the profit to date, I've been trading the 12-hour chart since the 3rd of February. So profit to date is from that date, depending on when I started actually trading this pair. I started with a few pairs and added to the list as time moved on. All the profit is generally based on a 0.02 base lot, so it's not much, it's only 20 cents a pip. So that's the CAD Swiss, just stopped out on that previous sell. Euro CAD, new sell signal, you can see the red dot up here, QMP filter, new sell signal. Now I'm already in a sequence here, sequence 1, and the S1, S2 is where those sequences commence, and there could be multiple trades on each of those candles, which they are in this case. So sequence 1 started with a buy, a hedge sell, a second buy, and today I took a second hedge sell. So sequence 1, break even, not applicable, as hedged. So it's just sequence 1 is hedged. Sequence 2 is a new sell signal because the MACD platinum is above the 0 level, so I took an extra sell, which is this one here. Now, my overall break even is this yellow dash line. And because it's negative 0.02, net negative, price has to get below that. It's really not my target. If price just falls off the edge of a cliff and goes down through here, great. Then it gets me out of these trades also. But I'm more just concentrating on the sequence 2 and then worrying about sequence 1. Sequence 1 started with a buy. Generally, I want to finish with a buy, but we'll see how we go. We could pivot. So let's move along. Pound USD is in a sell, hedge buy, second sell. This is my break-even level. MACD platinum's through the 0 level. Looks like it's stalling out a bit. Just closed all 3 trades. Took a small profit of $9.38 and added to the list. So that's all those trades have been closed. Just closed them. Not going to muck around with the MACD platinum where it is. So, you get the idea. So that's it for the charts, guys. As I said, there wasn't much to report today. Just the only new trade was as Euro CAD. They hardly moved since I took the trade, so no big deal. Plus, you know my rules. If there's dots, that means there's trades on, or I'm looking at trades anyway. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. Also, everyone's more than welcome to join my private Facebook group. There's no upsells. I've got no courses to sell or anything like that. Just supports my readers for the books, that's all. And I mainly look at the daily charts on the Facebook group / Telegram groups. All right, enjoy the day all, and I'll chat to you probably later this afternoon. Cheers.